Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make what I call the 12BB Daiquiri. To make this version of the daiquiri, we're going to start by adding 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar into our shaker tin. 1 teaspoon is 5 milliliters. I should probably use grams, but I'm not using grams. Next, half an ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. Half an ounce is 15 milliliters. Now I'm going to stir this a bit to help the sugar dissolve. Now to add the rum. 2 ounces of white rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Now to add our ice and give it a shake. The official glass for this drink is a martini glass or a cocktail glass. It's a really small amount of fluid, and I don't like putting a small amount of fluid in a big glass, so I'm going to double strain this into a coupe instead. And the official garnish, no garnish. So we're going to drink it as is. And there you have it, a 12BB Daiquiri. Drink with good spirits.